Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to set the date and time in a Panasonic AG-HPX370P high definition TV and broadcast camera. So here is how we do it. So the first thing you want to do is turn on the camera by flipping the switch to the left. First, make sure obviously that you have it connected to the power or the battery is fully charged, or at least more than 50% charged. Now what we want to do is we flip it on, let the unit turn on, and there it is. It's very quick boot up. And now we have to press the menu button and scroll up and down to choose the option to set the date and time. So here's what we do. We press down the menu and then we scroll down by scrolling this knob. Oops, I went too much. To other functions. We go to other functions. Now, when we are in the other functions, we have to press the knob. That's the very same knob that we were scrolling, we press it down. So we press the knob and we scroll down to clock setting. Okay, now in clock setting, we press this down again. Now you have to scroll down to go to change and then push it in. This is where you set that ear. To change the ear, you have to push the roller selector switch in and then scroll up and down to change the ear. If you scroll up, it goes higher numbers. If you scroll down, it goes to lower numbers. So we go back to 2020 and then you press it again. Then scroll down to go to the month. Press it in. Choose your month. Well, currently it's month of April, so I'm going to leave it at that and push it back in. Now you go down and change the date by pushing it in. Once you push it in, you scroll up and down to select the correct or the desired date. Then push it back in, go to hour. Now this is a military style hours time, so you push it in, which 17 means 5 o'clock. So you go back and forth, and then once you choose your correct time, you push it in. Same thing, you go down and push it in to change it, and you go to your desired minutes. Well, currently it's 5:50, so I'm going to go up and change it to 50, push it back in. Oops, I changed it to 51. Let me go back. Yeah, there you go, 50. And once you're done, you press the menu once, twice, 3 times to exit to the main menu. I hope this was educational and you learned something from this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.